Hello and welcome to part 8 of our video tutorial series on PCase. Today we are going to look at DB content. To access DB content, right-click, open DB content. This will open DB content in a new window. First of all, before you can start using DB content, you need to connect your current project to its database. To do that, either right-click connect or double-click on it. This will show you this little icon under the C, which means it's connected. To disconnect to it, right-click, disconnect, or double-click once more. As you can see, here is the path where my database is saved. This box here allows you to enter Progress ABL commands. So if I were to enter the for each customer command and then press F2, and yes, this will bring up all of the customers I have in this database, as you can see. If I double click on one of the customers, it brings up all of the different tables associated with it. This is pulled directly from the ERD. So if I wanted to see the invoices associated with this customer, click on it, click OK, or double click, and here you will see all of the invoices. You may notice a few buttons at the top here. The button here, or pressing F2, toggles update mode. This allows you to modify various different values. So if I wanted to take away this one here, there you go, as easy as that. And to save the record, click yes, or toggle update mode off by pressing F2 of this icon once more. This icon here allows you to toggle between column sort and resize. For the moment it is in column sort, so if I wanted to sort my list by invoice number, click on it, and as you can see, you can do just so. Clicking on it will toggle the minimum or maximum size of the column. So as you can see, now I can toggle between maximum and minimum size of each column. This button here allows you to toggle the minimum or maximum width of all of the columns as such, and F8 exports to Excel and F9 detaches from parent. You will also notice that if you select another customer while invoice window is open, it will automatically update as such. If you enter the for each command and double click on one of the entries, you will see the details off option. This allows you to modify that specific entry. By selecting it and pressing enter, you will notice the various different options added. You can still just edit it by pressing F2 or toggle update mode. This allows you to copy the record in a different row. This will allow you to create a new record from scratch. This will allow you to delete the record that you have created. You will notice, if you look here, that when you double click on a entry and select a table, for example, invoices once more, you will see that the command here changes. If I was to close this now, go onto it and press F2, it would bring me back exactly to the window where I was. Basically what this is doing is, as you are navigating through the different tables with the content browser, it's creating a command that you can use later on to access the same information. So if I was to strike F2, as you can see, once more the table where I was earlier on appears once more. You can see that every time you execute a command, it is stored in the history box. So the first command I entered was for each customer. This is the second command I entered. So if I was to double click on it or press F2, it will appear once more. This allows you to access various different tables that you had navigated to previously without having to type the code or the command, which makes it a lot faster. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial on DB content, and I hope to see you soon in our next video.